Hi everybody, Broken Ebeez here and welcome to today's video. Today's video is installing and setting up CachyOS Part 2. So in this episode I'm going to install all the various different gaming bits that I want. Normally that would be quite a time consuming and daunting task. However, with CachyOS it's simplicity itself. So just to recap before we go ahead, we've given ourselves our own IP address and DNS server. We've activated the firewall, we've refreshed the key rings and updated the mirrors and installed all available updates. The system is now bang up to date and ready to go. So all we've got to do is open the CachyOS Hello app and left click on Install Gaming Packages. Put your system password in and it will literally bring the lot down. There are two providers available for SD1. We'll select number one as that's the default. There are two providers available, blah blah blah. The default is one, so enter number one. Total download size is 2.9 gig. Do you want to continue? Yes. And that's it. Just leave it the hell alone and it will bring down just about every gaming package you could ever want. So as you can see, it's bringing all the wine, the WebKits, Sandbar. It will bring Heroic Games Launcher. It'll bring Steam. If I remember right, it brings down Lutris. So it really is a one-button install, including P7-zip. Nice. Plus all the utilities that you'd normally have to do manually. This will just, in one button, with a couple of answers, bring everything down for you. Install it, configure it, and you are good to go. All you need to do is log into your Steam account, start bringing your games down, go to your Lutris, you're done. It's that simple. It's super fast, super lightning quick, and as I say, it's a one button install and it will bring all required libraries and packages down automatically for you and install them onto your system so that you're good to go. You don't have to go crawling around either the Arch Wiki or the internet for specific libraries or packages that a manual install may have missed. This is just one of the aspects of where CachyOS is head and shoulders not only above other Arch distros but other distros period. Because if you are a gamer, and a hell of a lot of you are not, but an awful lot of you are, then I think you will find that this is a wonderful addition out the box to the distribution. It literally installs absolutely everything for you. Not only that, certain packages and libraries it will build before it installs, which means that those libraries and packages are optimized for your PC. So again, another reason why CachyOS is head and shoulders above other Arch-based distros. Usually the other Arch-based distros will just bring down generic packages, etc. Whereas this is bringing them all down, compiling. So you can see we've already got DOSBox, we've got Goverlay, we've got the Heroic Games Launcher, Lutris and Steam. I mean, you're just in a very, very nice place indeed. And that's it. Press the any key to exit. We're done. All we now need to do is reboot the PC to have all that take effect. And again, if we go to games, there you go. Everything you could ever want right out the box, a single button click, no terminal work required, no reading of the Arch Wiki required, no RTFM required, and the one thing that you are guaranteed when you reboot is absolutely blistering performance of all your games. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thumb the videos up if you loved it, down if you hated it. I will see you for another wicked Broken Ebeez video.